Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in Tennessee. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this website called Legalzoom. Legalzoom is an amazing website which is going to help you form your LLC. And why do I recommend them? Not only because, like what I always say, that every entrepreneur should outsource accounting, micromanaging, and business administration about how to create actual company. What every entrepreneur should focus on is to increasing the revenue, developing better processes and systems to have less work and to work more effectively. And this is what I'm going to talk about in the end of the video. So I hope you will like it. So what you want to do is just click here on LLC, and you just write here what the company should be called. You just write here the name of the company and check availability. In what state would you like to form Stone's company? And you just enter the state here. I don't know, I got it prepared here. Let's go with a Tennessee here. Tennessee, search. Then great news, Stone's company appears to be available. You just add here your email address. And that we're passionate about the companies we help set up. When do you want to launch? Let's go with a soon. And then continue. And now, is Stone's company a first LLC? If it's yes, just yes. If no, then no. What will Stone's company do? And I'm going to write e-commerce. You just write here what you actually want to do. Continue. Will Stone's company have employees in the first year? Yes or no? I'm going to press no. Essential services for Stone's company. By law, you will require a registered agent. And then you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. See essential services. Now, you are legally required to appoint a registered agent, as I mentioned in the beginning. Now, Legalzoom is going to offer their own. You can also appoint a different registered agent, but you can go with Legalzoom. So I'm going to continue with Legalzoom now. And now, here these are essential documents that you need. So first is operating agreement. Then you get operating agreement plus EIN, or operating agreement, EIN, and licenses. I recommend going with the middle one because EIN is required. Without it, you can file taxes or open a bank account, or you can go with complete coverage. It's completely up to you. And then there are some business services for Stone's company. The first one is Legal Protect, and you can have consultations with independent attorneys about tax questions, about best tax structure for your company, etc. Then you can take it, or no thanks. Also, total compliance. So they help you set up to stay compliant, taking care of annual report, fillings and formalities. And if they miss anything, this is something I like. If they miss anything, they pay the fine or the penalty. You can have it or no. And then you just choose the package here, and you can go with the Express Gold, which is going to be in 10 days, they are going to create a company, or you can go with the Economy, which is going to be $79, but it's going to take 30 days, or you can go with the standard version right here. And that's going to cost you $329 plus the filling fee, right? But what I like about the Express Gold, not only because it's going to take only 10 days, 10 business days, you get 7 days a week lifetime customer support. That's something huge, I think, but it's up to you which one you want and if you want to create the business fast. So I will press Express Gold. No thanks, I want to create Bank of America. And when I'm here, it's going to cost me this, all right? And then just you can also change it to, let's say, the standard version, right? And then continue to checkout, and you just add everything here and you're good to go. First name, last name, everything, single payment or instant plan, and you just paid. Now, and this is it. This is how you simply form an LLC. And what do I recommend when I recommend creating processes? So what you should do is this. Figure it out if you're a morning person or evening person, in what part of the day you are the most effective. Then every day in the evening, plan your day ahead. What do you want to do tomorrow? And based on that, what I want to do tomorrow, I'm going to schedule everything, right? So I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what I should do. Then what I recommend is disable all notifications on your mobile so you can't be distracted and you can focus only on work. That's really important. And then what you need to do is this. Many people are quality over quantity, but what is the goal here? The goal is to figure it out that you get like 10 hours of work every day, and you are going to, I don't know, 10 hours of work, you are going to get this amount of work done in this quality. So this amount of work of 10 hours, this is going to get you this amount of work done. This many hours, 10 hours, gets you like, I don't know, 100 quality of work of this quality. What is the goal here is to increase the amount of work that you can do, but in a way that you can be still healthy, that you can be still okay, and that you can be rested. And it's possible if you're gonna cut out things like they're not healthy for you, like, okay, unhealthy food. It's the first thing. Second thing could be, I don't know, watching Netflix in the morning, or like even increasing meditations and meditate every day. That's also can be helpful. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.